Hello students, I am Dr. Veena Patel and I am going to introduce you the very syllabus of English as a special subject in your first year BA. In this video, you will come to know the syllabus of English as a compulsory subject and English as a main subject at first. Secondly, you will come to know about all the textbooks name that you will have to purchase from the nearest bookstores. Here you can also see a PDF file. And thirdly, you will also come to know about paper style for your examination. Alright, this way you will find this video very important as well as very helpful to you. So please guys subscribe my channel forever and don't forget to like and share it. Okay, it will inspire me a lot. This is your syllabus copy on your screen from VNSD University of Surat. Remember that you can follow this syllabus only when the college in which you have taken your admission is affiliated to VNSD U Surat. First of all, I would like to inform you that English as a compulsory subject is known as Foundation Course in English, and the students or colleges have two preferences. Please confirm whether your college provides written and spoken communication skills, that is known as W&S, or language through literature, that is also known as LTL in short. All right. You can select only one out of these two groups. Now, if you are confirmed and your English compulsory is following written and spoken communication skills, then you have to follow this syllabus. Look at this. Semester 1, text is the spectrum from which you have to study the following three sections named as prose, poetry, and functional writing. There are three proses in prose section. Yeah, there are three proses in prose section entitled as On Saying Please, Go Kiss the World, and The Night Train at Beverly. Poetry entitled as Sonnet 116, All Things Will Die, and Still I Rise. And functional writing like writing business emails on inquiries, replies, and orders. Dialogue writing like interpersonal conversation, congratulating and responding to congratulations, compliments, appreciation, encouragement, asking for, giving and refusing permission. And its paper style is as follows. You can see here distribution of marks for the university exams. Question 1. Short answer type questions from poems only, which carries 10 marks. 5 out of 7 you have to write. Answer in about 2 to 3 sentences. Alright. Second question is also long answer questions from prose only. 1 out of 2 you have to write. which carry 12 marks. Third question is business emails. 1 out of 2 you have to write, 12 marks. Question number 4 is having A and B section. In A section you will be asked dialogue writing. 1 out of 2 you have to write and 16 marks. Dialogue writing is 8 marks. In second यानी कि B section paragraph writing 1 out of 2 you will have to write, which carry 8 marks, and total question papers marks are 50. Okay, so this is the syllabus of written and spoken English. Now I will introduce language through literature. Okay, if you have selected language through literature, that is LTL, as your English compulsory subject, you have to follow and pass this syllabus. Look at this. In semester 1 you have to purchase a textbook named as Prelude. Okay, chapters to be studied: prose, poetry and grammar and communication skill sections. There are 4 sections in this book. In prose section you will have to study 3 proses. First is the homecoming, second is playing the English gentleman, third is Indra Nooyi, a corporate giant. In poetry section you will have to study 3 poems like the village schoolmaster, Eve and my grandmother's house. In grammar section you will have to study 2 chapters. First chapter is about articles, alright, and the second section prepositions. In the section entitled as communication skills, you will have to study first paragraph writing and second introduction to soft skills, alright, and its paper style is as follows. You can read here distribution of marks for the university exams. First question, short answer type questions from poems only. 5 out of 7 you will have to attempt, which carry 10 marks. Answer in about 2 to 3 sentences. Alright. Second question, long answer questions from prose only. 1 out of 2, which carry 12 marks. Third question, a paragraph writing to be asked from the exercise of chapter 13, question 3, 1 out of 3, which carry 8 marks. In B section, see, remember that the question number 3 is having 2 sections, A and B, alright. In B section, you will be asked an essay relating to the soft skills, which carry 12 marks. Soft skills like leadership, teamwork, time management and goal setting. You will have to write only 1 out of 2. And question number 4 will be asked on grammar. 8 out of 10 items you will have to attempt, to be asked from the exercises of the prescribed chapters, which carry 8 marks and total 50 marks. We will see now the syllabus of your special English or main English paper, or you can also say principal English. Alright. Wait for a while. I scroll your syllabus sheet. So this is your SEM 1 English as a special subject. You will have to study paper 1 and paper 2, okay, during the whole semester. In paper 1, introducing literary forms, poetry, you will have to study about that. And in paper 2, introducing literary forms, drama, you will have to study poetry and drama both in semester 1 only. In this video, we will not talk about semester 2. I am talking about semester 1 only, alright? So let us see semester 1 detailed syllabus. Paper 1, introducing literary forms, poetry section, and there are two textbooks for paper 1. Textbook number 1 is Honeydew and textbook number 2 is Companion to Literary Forms. Remember that these are the two textbooks that you will have to purchase from market. Alright, Honeydew and Companion to Literary Forms. Okay, from Honeydew there are poems prescribed. Number 1, The Felling of the Banyan Tree. Number 2, Success is Counted Sweet Taste. Number 3, A River. Number 4, Ulysses. Number 5, Uphill. Number 6, The Bird Sanctuary. And number 7, Stay Calm. Okay, these are 7 poems you will have to study. And from Companion to Literary Forms, which is written by Padmaja Ashok, you will have to follow unit B and C. Alright. Topic selected for long answer questions. These are A to G topics are there, which you will found from text number 2. A, poetry and classification of poetry. B, ballad and various types. C, epic, features of an epic, epic conventions, mock epic. D, lyric. E, odd. F, elegy and pastoral elegy. G, sonnet, Petrarchan and English. Alright. And unit C, figures of speech. From text number 2, you will have to follow. These are the figures of speech that you have to study in detail. Simile, metaphor, personification, onomatopoeia, alliteration, hyperbole, allegory, irony, paradox, and pun. Okay, and this is unit D, that is A and B. Join A and B columns like question. So you can mug it up too. All right. This is the ready-made answer for you. Poem, poet, poem, poet. All right. If you will see the paper style, you can understand this join or match A and B. See here, question 1, which is having two sections, A and B. Write the names of the writers of the following works. 5 out of 5. That is this one. All right. These are the columns for question 1. Okay. Question 1A. And question 1B, match the names of the writers under column A with their works under column B. This is also the same column. You will have to mug it up. Okay. So from these columns you will be asked question 1, A and B, which carry 10 marks. To be asked from the list given in unit D, as I have told you just now. And question 2, long answer type questions from text number 1. 1 out of 2 you will have to attempt, 14 marks. Question 3, long answer type questions from text 2. 1 out of 2, 14 marks. Question 4, briefly explain with an example any 3 of the following figures of speech. Maximum 50 words. 3 out of 5, which carry 12 marks and total 50 marks. Alright. So please note down all these things and This is the last one, paper 2, introducing literary forms, drama. In your first sem, your paper 2 consists of two texts, the same as paper 1, Honeydew and a companion to literary forms. Alright, so in your main English paper, you will have only two books, Honeydew and a companion to literary forms. In paper 2, you will have to follow plays which are to be studied. These three plays: number 1, The Villa for Sale; number 2, The Day of Atonement; and number 3, A Marriage Proposal, from text number 1. And for text number 2, you will have to follow unit B, C, and D. Alright. In unit B, topic selected: drama, dramatic design, classical Greek tragedy and its features, the origin and growth of drama in England, romantic tragedy and romantic comedy, absurd drama and its features, one-act play and its features. In unit C, you will have to study about these 8 topics: mask, comedy of humors, heroic tragedy, comedy of manners, sentimental comedy, melodrama, problem play, epic theater. Okay, and unit D is the same as in paper 1. You have just seen. uh, from unit D you will be asked in question number 1, play, playwright, play, playwright. I show you the question 1, then and then you will understand this column. Okay, so this is paper 2's paper style. Question 1, see here, A and B. Write the names of the writers of the following works, for which you have to follow this column. Alright, and even in question number 1b, match the names of the writers under column A with their works under column B. 5 out of 5. The whole question carried 10 marks, and for which you will have to study the same column, so you can mug it up. Alright. Question number 2, long answer questions from text number 1. 1 out of 2, 14 marks. Question number 3, long answer questions from text number 2, 1 out of 2, 12 marks. Question number 4, short notes on any two of the following, maximum 100 words, from unit C. And this is unit C. I show you, this is unit C, mask, comedy of humors, heroic tragedy, upon which you will have to write in 100 words. Alright, see the notes, maximum 100 words from unit C. 2 out of 4 you will have to attempt, which carry 14 marks, and the whole question paper carry 50 marks. Alright, so during the whole semester you will have to study these 3 question papers. One is on WS, written and spoken, or on LTL, and your special English paper is having 2 question papers, paper 1 and paper 2. So in total you will have 3 question papers. Okay, okay, thank you all of you. I end the video. Please like and subscribe my channel, and please share it with your friends too.